Is your 2004 to 2012 Chevy Malibu key fob not working from as far away or working intermittently? It likely needs a new battery. These fobs use a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, locate the seam on your key fob. There's usually a small notch. Use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to damage the internal circuit board. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side oriented correctly. Finally, snap the fob casing back together securely. Now test the fob on your vehicle. CR2032 batteries typically cost $1 to $5 and are widely available. If your fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion on the battery contacts and clean them gently. Ensure you dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly by recycling it. While this process works for 2004 to 2012 Malibus, key fob technology has advanced since then. Newer cars often have keyless entry systems, reducing battery reliance. The trend is toward digital keys on smartphones and rechargeable fob batteries. Remember that failure to replace your battery may result in lockouts. According to AAA, DIY battery replacement saves an average of $80 compared to dealership service.